Hi, and welcome to RetailCustomerFinance.com. In the short video, I'm going to demonstrate for you how you get your customers approved for finance, and how you will request a direct deposit from us to you, the merchant, for the sale. So let's begin. Go to the top of this website and click on No Credit. Check the guest area password. You'll have your own passwords once you are enrolled with us, but for now, to show you this quick example, please type in A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. The dashboard. Your dashboard will have your company name on it, and will keep track of the sales that you put through us. To process a new sale, click on the green button below that says New Sale. Customer application page. Here you will type in your customer's information. Notice that nowhere on here is it asking for the person's social security number. We don't look at credit scores. But what it is asking for at the bottom is the person's routing and checking account number. Our system is going to take a peek into the person's checking account for this small loan. It looks for monthly, weekly, or bi-weekly deposits from an employer for the past 3 months. Or if the person is paid under the table, our system will recognize cash deposits from an ATM. But these deposits must be consistent, and they must be earning at least, or equivalent to, minimum wage full-time. They cannot reflect any bounce checks or not sufficient fund activity in the past 3 months. Also, your customer's checking account needs to show at least $1,000 in it. Otherwise, our system is going to decline them. Someone that is retired or on disability or unemployment can still be approved. Please click the green Verify button below and continue to the next page. Customer approval page. Here, the customer has been approved for the maximum amount of $3,500. From here, you will type in the amount you need for your sale in the area where it says Sale Amount. In this case, Terminix needs the $3,500. And now you will be able to offer your customers one of the following plans. If your customer can pay the loan up within the first 3 months of any one of these plans, it will be interest-free. However, they do have to pick a 6, 9 or 12-month repayment plan. The 6 and 9-month plan carry an interest rate of 9%, and a 12-month plan carries an interest rate of 15%. You can see what your customers will ultimately be paying. However, we do need a down payment for each plan. In this case, the customer chose to do a 12-month term. 12-month term will always require a down payment of 25%. If for some reason your customer cannot afford 25%, then offer them one of the other 2 plans. The other 2 require a less amount on the down. Also, be advised, these down payments are not fees. However, the customer is actually paying off those amounts right off their balance. So this is helping them. Down payments are drafted out of the customer's checking account within 24 hours from the point of sale, along with a $35 application fee, which has already been factored into the down payment. This will conclude all the fees and charges to your customer. Please select the green button in box 3 to continue. The customer's purchase agreement. Here, you'll have the customer type their name into the signature area. This agreement will also be mailed to your customer. When clicking the green button below, your customer will receive this via email, where they can open this up on their end. Type their name into the signature area. Press enter and it will bounce back to you. It is stated in this contract that your customer is responsible to pay back this loan, and that you, the merchant, are merely providing the product or service. If your customer defaults on repaying this loan, there's no recourse to you, the merchant. However, your customer's current checking account will be shut down, and they will not be able to open up another checking account at any other bank anytime soon. Tax the penalty here. Also, these loans are of no recourse to your company, and we don't do chargebacks. We are not a credit card company where anybody can easily call up and dispute a charge. These are actual loans where the customer is signing their signature for your service. We take all precautionary measures to ensure that this person can indeed afford to pay this loan. Otherwise, they would have never been approved. This concludes the functions of this page. Please select the green button that says Design to continue to the next page. The direct deposit page. This is where you, the merchant, would request a direct deposit for the sale. As you can see, Terminix is requesting $3,500, and this is the amount they will receive. Typically our competitors such as CareCredit and Synchrony will charge your company 10% or as high as 15% on every deposit to you. If this were the case here, Terminix would not be receiving $3,500. They'd be receiving $3,150, which is $350 less. Fortunately for you, we don't charge you these transaction fees. Our enrolled merchants in this case will receive $3,500. We do have one charge to your company, $299 a year to be a part of this program. Brochures and marketing material will be a one-time charge of $25. And anytime you need to reorder the brochures in the future, they will be free. You must submit applications through your online account each month. Otherwise our system will recognize that you have not put any through, and you will be subject to a $35 charge for each month of non-usage. Once again, simply use our service monthly to avoid the extra charge. Now back to the deposit request. You can click deposit and you will see the money in your business account within 2 to 5 business days. Or you can click the hold button and your approved application will be held in here for 15 days. Or you can cancel this transaction. Now, click deposit and you are done. The money is on its way. Enrolling with us is easy. At the top of this website, click on the Enroll Now option. And then, simply fill out this short form. And with the green buttons, you will upload clear pictures of the needed items. Once you're done, click the Submit button. And on the next page you will be prompted to pay the annual fee with a debit or credit card. The representative from our staff will contact you within 20 to 30 minutes. And the password to your new account with us will be sent to you by email. Also, you can always reach us by calling 888-685-7685. This will conclude the tutorial. Thank you for your interest in our company, and we look forward to working with you.